Hi, I'm Dave Gardy for Cybersecurity TV from our studios here near Washington, D.C. for another in the special presentation series of SteelCloud's Compliance Automation TV. This particular program is maximizing cybersecurity efficiencies with automation. Joining me here in the studio is Mr. Brian Hajos, who's the COO of SteelCloud. Brian, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Dave.
You know, it seems to be there's a lot of uncertainty about budgets and staffing in the federal government these days. What are you seeing?
Well, you're absolutely right. But it isn't all that different than what we've seen over the last 10 or 15 years. I mean, we had the financial crisis of 2009 and 10. We had a lot of budgets being repurposed in our military missions overseas. We had COVID, and it seems like every year we have a CR. So there's always been a lot of pressure on budgets. I think the thing that we see differently is there's an emphasis on automation and the removal of manual processes and the more efficient use of personnel. And I think it makes a little bit of a difference this time.
Now, in working with customers, what priorities are being discussed? Is it different today?
I think it is. I think, it used to be, work harder, work smarter, save money. I think in this go around, we're really looking at how do we insert automation into processes? How do we eliminate, manual processes and make our people more productive? So automation is a big theme in the current state of affairs.
And how does automation fit in improving cybersecurity?
Well, historically, a lot of cyber is built around, you need more protection, so pay more and get more. I think that, this time around is how do we pay less, spend less money, and get more? So that's where automation is really a focus in the current administration to interject that so that we can actually save money but get better cybersecurity.
What type of automation fits the bill and can be successfully justified in the current environment?
Well, I think that there's been a shift to real hard justifications. So it is, how much time is saved, how many processes can be eliminated, how can we repurpose our people to do the things that only people can do. And so I think automation has really been a focus this time around.
How has SteelCloud changed its approach when working with its customers?
Well, we've spent a lot more time with our customers on hard justifications, on hours saved, processes eliminated, things of that nature, than we did before. So it's really working hand in hand on how to, through automation, give our customers better cybersecurity while spending less.
Now, are there additional benefits that customers can realize when they actually implement automation approaches with cybersecurity?
There really are. A good automation regimen provides the customer a lot more flexibility in managing their staff and processes. So they can actually build the processes around the automation. The other thing it does, especially with SteelCloud technology, it really reskills our workers. So new folks that may not be involved in compliance use the applications and become experts at doing the work very quickly. So it actually improves the quality of life for their workforce.
Finally, how can SteelCloud help with the automation process?
Well, we provide automation to automate all the processes in the STIGs between the pre-ATO processes and also sustainment. So typically our customers will recognize about a 90% reduction in the pre-ATO processes, RMF, producing the artifacts and that type of thing, and then approximately 70% after they go live. And that's across both civilian and Department of Defense. It's both small and large customers are all in that range of effort savings.
Excellent. Well, we appreciate the time you've taken to discuss maximizing cybersecurity efficiencies with automation. I've been talking with Brian Hajos. He's the COO of SteelCloud. I'm Dave Gardy for Cybersecurity TV for another in a series of our Compliance Automation TV SteelCloud series. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, Dave.